Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at some questions from the SSCE and UTME past questions. Here they are. Number 1. A rational consumer tends to do all the following except option A, buying more at a higher price than at a lower price. Option B, buying more at a lower price than at a higher price. Option C, aiming at utility maximization. And option D, reacting to price changes. Option E, complying with the laws of demand. The right answer to this question is option B, buying more at a lower price than at a higher price. Of course, this is because a rational consumer buys more at a lower price than at a higher price. Question number 2. The theory of consumer behavior is based on all the following assumptions except dash. Option A, that the consumer is assumed irrational. Option B, consumer taste remains constant. Option C, consumer has a budget constraint. Option D, consumer aims at maximizing utility. Option E, a consumer is exposed to more than one commodity. The right answer to this question is option A, consumer is assumed irrational. Of course, the consumer is never assumed irrational because the question says except, that it does the following except. So a consumer is not assumed irrational, rather he is assumed to be rational. Let's go to question 3. In a normal or typical demand curve, schedule, the quantity demanded is dash. Option A, directly related to price. Option B, inversely related to price. Option C, option C, independent of price. And option D, proportionally related to price. The right answer to this question is option B, inversely related to price. Reason being that the higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded. So this relationship is said to be inverse. Let's go to question number 4. The cross elasticity of demand between complementary goods is dash. Option A, unitary. Option B, positive. Option C, 0. Option D, negative. This question is from UTME 1991. The right answer to the question is negative. Now, that is option D, negative. Reason being that for all complementary goods, there exists a negative relationship. An increase in the price of one leads to a decrease in the demand for the other. Now, let's take the last question, number 5. The demand curve slopes downwards from left to right. Again, the demand curve slopes downwards from left to right due to dash. Option A, diminishing marginal utility. Option B, diminishing returns to the scale. Option C, reduction in supply. Option D, says the law of demand and supply. And the last option, reduction in purchasing power. The right answer to this question is option A. It is due to diminishing marginal utility. Reason being that a demand curve has a downward sloping movement or slope due to the diminishing marginal utility. Now, what has diminishing marginal utility got to do with demand curve? The more of a product consumed by a consumer, the lower the extra satisfaction it derives. As a result, because he doesn't get more satisfaction, he will be willing to pay less price. So that makes it related to demand curve.